Hey, it's your boy Shaun, and I wanted to do something a little different today. Finally received my new microphone, the Bluebird. This is my old microphone. It's just a basic Cobalt I got on sale about 2 years ago. Probably should have bought a microphone when I bought the Pro Tools, but kind of skipped on it and then couldn't afford a microphone for a long time. Just started working again. As you can tell, I'm using an iPhone. So I'm sure the sound quality is a little trash. So I had to go out back to Guitar Center to get a shock mount. This one I got used online at Guitar Center. It didn't come with a shock mount or any other stuff I needed to get what I really wanted. So you can see from this old phone that the picture quality is not so great. But hopefully this is everything the review says it is. I had to go get a shock mount from Guitar Center right here. I already made sure that it fit, and hopefully soon I'll be able to put a couple of videos up to show the sound quality. Because I'm using this iPhone microphone, I don't really know how to incorporate that into the video. I'll probably put pictures up of the old microphone and pictures up the new microphone, and then add the audio in the background so you can hear the difference. I haven't tested the microphone out yet. I don't know how it sounds, so when I'm hearing it for the first time, you'll be hearing it for the first time, and hopefully it'll be 1,000 times better than the sound quality I had before. This is gonna help me for my music and my YouTube channel. I'm not a voice artist or anything like that, as you can see if you've seen any of my videos. I'm just a regular guy. I am a rapper, so I don't have a YouTube channel for that. If anybody want to hear my music or anything like that, let me know. I'll show you my SoundCloud. I put a couple songs on YouTube or whatever. So hopefully this will make the sound quality of my music 1,000 times better. The sound quality for my YouTube channel 100 times better. And hopefully it'll be the only microphone I need. If I have to get another one, a more expensive one, that's what I'll do. But for right now, this is going to be great for the channel, for me. So we'll see how it sounds. I know it'll be better than this old Cobalt microphone. Won't really say it's old because it's not old. It's just cheap and terrible. And I'm glad to be finally upgrading in the microphone department. Okay, so if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. I got a lot of store for this channel, and I want you guys to be there with me. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. This is a test of the Cobalt CO7 microphone. This is a test. You're hearing me without filters or special effects. This is unedited from the same distance as the Bluebird. This is a test. This is a test of the Bluebird microphone. You are hearing me for the first time on this microphone on this channel. This is unedited with no effects or filter. This is a test. And as you can hear from the unedited sound quality, that this microphone is 1,000 times better than my old one. Now I have to get a popper stopper, a spit filter for this thing, because every time I talk into the microphone, you can hear my every breath, my every syllable just smack the microphone, and I'm not even that close to it. That's how much range it has. The microphone's about a foot and a half away from me, and as you can hear from this, it's still pretty loud. And I try not to talk directly at the microphone so I don't spit into it, because that can get pretty annoying. But yeah, I'm very excited to see what I can do with this microphone, and I have to get some soundproofing for my room, because you can hear right now a bus that I can't hear without the microphone is passing my house, and it's all in the recording. So you know, it is what it is. But like I said before I started this test, if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. I got a lot in store for this channel, and I want you guys to be there with me. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.